In this video, I will show you how to merge two Instagram accounts. Now let's go to the profile icon right here. And let's say you want to merge your Instagram account. You have multiple accounts that is logged in right now, and you want to merge them all together to be able to get your followers into one big account right there. However, if Instagram allowed this to happen, this will be black market's interest, and people who have low followers account will voluntarily buy a high follower account, and they will be able to merge it with their main account. So technically, if Instagram allowed this to happen, this will create a chaos within the algorithm. Now, if you insist on wanting to make your followers go to your other account, all you have to do is to post the contents or download the contents that you have on one Instagram and transfer it to your another Instagram, so that slowly your followers will be able to see that this account is your main account right now. So unfortunately, there's no way for you to merge two Instagram accounts unless you want to make the other account you have your main account. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.